Stop in front of the space, with your door mirror on the line. Turn the wheel full lock to the right. Check all around and don't forget the blind spots before moving. Stop when you can see the line at the back of the car in the door mirror. Select reverse and turn the wheel fully to the left. Check all around before moving, and don't forget those blind spots. Stop when your car is parallel with the line in your door mirror. And then straighten your wheels by turning to the right. Now you just have to continue back into the space. And you are parked. For a fuller explanation of each step, click on the links in the description.